This video is going to be about an interesting combination of stochastic and the CCI indicators, in which the two instruments complement each other very conveniently. So get comfy and let's get to it.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
The point of this combination is that both of our instruments indicate if the market is oversold or overbought, but they do it a bit differently. Often, as it was in this case, stochastic helps us to see the market's divergence. In other words, when these are placed differently on the chart and in the indicator's window. This phenomenon can predict a shortly coming trend reversal. And here, the CCI shows us the overbought peak, inviting us gladly to make a move, so we buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes. In this case, however, we see a strong uptrend and the CCI that indicates that the market is overbought here. Also, do note the stochastic divergence here. Again, it's because we got a clear uptrend. The price has already rebounded off the trend's level of support and is now heading up. So we buy a 5-minute call option. Here's another example of how to correctly use two indicators together. First, we see how both of our instruments do the same thing as if on repeat, indicating the waviness of the market. The bulls and bears playing catch. Second, if we look at our stochastic, we see a divergence. This stretch being higher on the chart than the first one, while stochastic shows the opposite thing. The market has been oversold for quite a while, so at this point I'm just waiting for a perfect entry point, and having found one, and I buy a 5-minute call option. And here's the last example for you. And this one is actually a reminder of how important it is to analyze the chart itself and not to rely only on indicators. Remember that the most important thing is to pinpoint main trends on the chart and follow them. For example, in this case, I see that the market has reached the level of resistance and is now testing it. But I also see that there is a more important level of resistance. So I take my time and wait until the price reaches this zone. All of this despite our indicators telling us that the market is already overbought. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.